the question is really, how can I make use of AI to improve my organization? What are the deeper integrations that I can look at beyond, marketing having a tool to help it improve its English language output? My software developers having a co-pilot that allows them to write boilerplate and base code faster than they could before. How can I look at the core data in my organization and use it for effect? Whether that is adding new features and capabilities to my customer-facing tooling, where if you have a SaaS platform or customer applications that you deliver, or if that is in internal efficiency and productivity in improving access to internal data or use of that data to provide insights that weren't otherwise available. I like to run a workshop-based approach, working closely with the CIO, CTO, and the technology leadership to understand the business and its needs to come up with a stacked ranked list of opportunities and initiatives that could be undertaken based on the 4 pillars that I'm showing on screen at the moment. And just to run through them very briefly, they are: always start with value. Many AI skunkworks projects that I see when I go into organizations have been initiated by people in the technology team, and they have done some great work. I'm a technologist and a software developer myself, and I love this stuff. But far too often, that has been initiated and driven by what seemed cool and what looked possible, rather than what actually will make a difference to the business. So the first step in the process is actually coming back to looking for some way of measuring ROI on defined initiatives. So a workshop process starts with an ideation session, blue sky ideation, the what could be done, outside technology altogether where possible, and looking at where areas of the business could potentially be improved from an information provision, prediction, optimization, or other use case. And starting from that to look in the workshop at what the potential value is, and then take that away to actually try and draw out what the long-term ROI of that might be. ROI doesn't have to be measured in pound notes. Obviously, it's great if it can be, but there are a number of areas around efficiency improvements that are quite hard to drive back into bottom line improvement. There are steps along a road towards an AI transformation around developing AI maturity, which can show measurable value in terms of improving the capability of the organization, but again, as parts of a stepping stone to a longer term picture. So ROI doesn't have to be measured in monetarily. It's great if it can be.